Do it again, huh? You're gonna make her cry.
I don't know if she's sad though, because it's like she's not crying. She's pushing out her bottom lip.
Oh my god. Oh, look at her eyes, honey. Her eyes are getting all red.
Oh, I'm sorry. I won't do it no more. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have to do it one more time, okay?
No, honey.
I've never seen that pouty face. Does this make you happy when I rub your chin? Rub your chins?
Did Daddy make you sad? Look how red her eyes are.
It's like she was like crying of sadness or happiness. I don't know.
I think it was sadness, honey. I don't think she liked that noise. Don't! I don't like this. Stop it, honey.
Oh, you want some food? Will that make you happy?
Oh,
That make you happy? There you go.
poor baby.